water. Beautiful bird hide this is. What's washed up off a fishing vessel from Holland, Volendam. Lots of birds out here. There's a man down there in his dinghy. Just got the Berlin bird ID out, and we've heard oyster catchers, red shanks, grey wagtails. We've seen a lot of geese over in the field. Quite breezy today, very pleasant, certainly blowing the cobwebs off. And the other side, where that dinghy is, right over on the horizon, that's northwest Norfolk. There we go. So it's coming out, so we'll walk back and do some others.